Here's a very quick tutorial on how to remove the background in your video when you're shooting if you don't have a green screen. There are two tools that you're going to need. The first thing is Snap Camera, a tool that allows you to use it's a tool that allows you to use snap lenses on your desktop. So what you're going to do is open Snap Camera and open your webcam, and you're going to search for green screen. See, you get a bunch of effects here. You're going to pick the one you like. I've already picked one out, and you apply that to your webcam. So what that's going to do is apply a green screen to your video. Then you can use this as a virtual webcam in your OBS, your Streamlabs, etc. And you apply chroma key and you make your video. The only drawback is that it doesn't work properly outside your body. It doesn't properly track your limbs and stuff, but as long as your hands are inside the boundary of your body, it works pretty fine. It works for me. I've used it a lot. So yeah, that's simple green screen you can do without an actual green screen. Yeah, see you next time.